Hi, I'm Stephany, and welcome to Repair and Replace, your online resource for quick and easy repairs. In this episode, we'll replace the solenoid valve in an Air King AK7000 humidifier. To order online, explore our website below. To begin, you'll need a solenoid valve, an adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, and a plastic container. The AK7000 uses an electronic pulse controller to regulate the water supply to the unit. When the humidistat calls for humidity, the solenoid valve will open to disperse water over the entire pad. As air flows over the pad, it picks up moisture and is distributed around your home by your furnace. If the solenoid valve fails, the pad will not receive new water and will prevent the air from picking up any moisture. Before starting the repair, disconnect all power to your humidifier. Next, shut off the water supply. First, disconnect the bypass tube. Unclip the wires from the solenoid. Use an adjustable wrench to disconnect the water supply line. Let any remaining water drain into the plastic container. Unscrew the compression nut and then remove the distributor tube. Now use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the mounting screws, then remove the solenoid. Align the new solenoid and then tighten the mounting screws. Now connect the water supply line. Attach the distributor tube and tighten the nut. Next, connect the wires to the solenoid. Finally, connect the bypass tube. Turn on the water supply. Finally, turn the power back on. If you found this video useful, hit like. To keep up to date on Repair and Replace, please subscribe. And for the widest selection of parts, low prices, and same-day shipping, explore our website below. Thanks for watching.